Hi everybody, welcome to this series of tutorial on Gauss Field Looper from Bram Bos in collaboration with Heimbach. I have to say that this is one of those applications which helps you to be creative, and I will show you why. I have two codes to give away as well, so if you're interested, check the video description and also the comments section to see if the giveaway is still open. Let's start. So I'm inside AUM and let's create a new audio channel and let's bring in a file player. I have pre-recorded a WAV file which contains some rain, so I'm going to use that one. So let's click play. Okay, let's add then as an insert effect Gauss. And Gauss works very well as a standalone as well, although in this example, in this tutorial, we're going to use it as an AUV-free effect. So let's open it. Nice interface, clean, very effective. Let's maximize it for now. If I click play again, you will not hear any sound. That's because it's currently filtered by Gauss. So if you want to monitor the sound, the incoming sound, click on monitor here. Effectively, it's a tape recorder which you can slow down and accelerate the play. You can add effects typically that you can do only with tape players and much more. As you can see, you can apply filter here, delay, etc, etc, but you have also quite interesting sequencer as well. So you record loops here, clicking on the record button. The length of the loop is determined by this dial. It says 9 seconds. If you click on it, it will go by bits. If you double click on it, it will go by length or centimeters, so I prefer to use seconds. You have also loop decay, which will help you to add the decay. I will show you that in a second. So let's leave that off and let's record for 9 seconds. So AUM is still playing the file that I selected. I click on record. You don't hear anything at the moment. It is recording at speed 1, where it says 1.00 times here. When you finish recording, as you can hear, it plays what is re-recorded. If you want to pause the loop being played, you click on the pause here. Okay. If you want to restart it, you click on it again. If you want to add a loop decay, just add it so and let it play and see what happens. As you can hear, the decay is being added and the next time that the loop is being played. Okay, what I also like is that you have an undo button as well. Okay, you can also overdub what is coming in as a recording if you would like to do so, and you can also add a 1989 tape effect. Now let's remove the decay and let's record for 9 seconds again without overdubbing. Okay. I decrease a little bit the volume so you can hear better my voice. The nice thing, of course, of a tape player effect is that you can change the speed. So have a listen. So by half, and let's reduce it even more. Really nice. Let's add a 1989 effect. Really interesting. Let's remove that for now. Okay, let's pause that for now. I'm going to create another audio channel and I have as an input a mix bus A. and I'm going to redirect all the outputs of the new audio channels that I'm going to create to mix bus A, so I can control the volume of multiple channels directly from here. Now I could record other waveforms overdubbing, but I prefer to actually have different instances of Gauss for this tutorial, and I don't really need this file player anymore because it has been recorded through Gauss anyway. Okay, let's add another audio channel now. Let's use, for example, this time a Module Pro because I want to have a piano type of sound. Let's also add a reverb, a Bliss reverb, which never lets me down. Let's also load Gauss again. Let's choose a preset, this choir piano. Okay, let's link the keyboard so we can play. Let's bring up the keyboard as well. We don't hear any sound because it is filtered by Gauss, so let's click monitor. Okay, let's go up the register. This sounds up enough. Okay, so let's record some playing on the piano. 9 seconds again. Okay, let's redirect that to mix bus A as well. Perfect. Let's add some delay. Change the timing. And also let's add a bit of a warp effect, like an instability effect, okay? And you can hear a little bit of instability added to the piano. Let's adjust a bit the volumes. And let's also add another reverb after the rain wave. This makes the effect fuller. Okay, I'm happy with this, so let's remove the Module Pro because we don't need it any longer. Let's add another audio channel, and this time I'm going to select continue because I want to bring in a string effect or pad effect. Let's open it up and connect the AUM keyboard, and let's select a preset from the factory pads And let's select the smooth atmosphere. Let's direct these to the mix bus A as well. Let's change the register. Something like this. That sounds good enough. So let's bring up again Gauss again, another instance, and I'm going to show you now how to use the sequencer. Let's open the monitor. Okay. Let's add another bliss reverb here. As you can see, I'm abusing of it. But that is the old joy of using all these effects together. I like this. So let's record it. Okay. Let's decrease, actually let's leave the volume there. Let's mute that for a moment and let's make some adjustment. So the first thing I want to do is to increase the volume. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate the trigger here, which means that these triggers will actually fire in trigger mode in the envelope here, where I can set the attack and decay, which I'll show you in a moment. But they will also allowed to move through from one step to the other, and so from step 1 and 4, and then go into a loop. And what you can do at each step, you can increase or decrease the speed, which will give you the effect of going up by an octave or going down by an octave as well. So at the moment it's set to go by a quarter, so let's listen. Half. More decay. Sounds really nice. Now let's add also a filter cutoff you have here, and also modulation as well, and you can decide what filter to use here. As you can hear, you can change here the velocity of the different of the tape engine, and you can also decide what inertia they will have, so how fast they will move up and down in terms of velocity. And let's decrease the speed as well. Okay, and let's create a little bit more an interesting effect acting on the piano again, which is still playing here on this instance of Gauss. For example, we could accelerate the playing of the piano. We can decelerate to the point that it can go also in reverse. So let's try a little bit. In reverse. Nice. Let's change the trigger in here on the pad. More modulation, a bit more attack and much more delay. Right. Right, okay, as you can see, you can create some fantastic, unique effects using just Gauss inside AUM. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.